Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Presscon Midtown Bay by Presscon located in Mahim. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right at the actual land parcel. Behind me you can see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. In this video, we will be discussing about points like overview, location, internal and external amenities, carpet area, parking, possession, launch discount offers, booking process and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let me take you and show you the actual lobby of the project, and then we'll get into all the other details. And this over here is the actual lobby of the project. You can see this is the actual lobby of Presscon Midtown Bay, which is very spacious. And now let's move to the model of the project where I will explain you the overview and the amenities of the project. And now talking about the overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acres that will have one tower which will have 2 basement, ground plus 10 level of podium plus 3 level of amenities plus 35 residential floors having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium deck apartments. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Shivaji Park, Mahim, from where Sheetla Devi Temple is only at a distance of 100 meters, Bombay Scottish is only at a distance of 100 meters, Mahim Railway Station is only at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have BKC connector only at a distance of 8 minutes from the project. Also, all the schools, colleges, hospitals is within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, in internal amenities you are getting not 1, not 2 but 3 types of flooring, which will include vitrified tiles, marble flooring and wooden flooring. Also you will be getting granite kitchen platforms, branded fittings and much more. And now let's talk about the external amenities. In this project you will be getting 50 plus luxurious amenities with infinity swimming pool, jogging track, clubhouse, banquet hall, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, mini theatre, gym, kids play area and many more amenities. And now talking about the parking part, this project has 2 types of car parking facilities, that is on the basement level and on the podium level. And now talking about the carpet area, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 820 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1180 square feet. And talking about the possession, the RERA possession date for the project is of December 2027, but the target possession is for December 2025. And talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. We'll also show you the sample flat and the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Presscon Midtown Bay by Presscon located in Mahim.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.